Okay, I'll start the class for today. Okay, so in the last class we had discussed a problem. It was confusion for everybody. It was quite a big problem. Okay, today I'll solve the first. Okay, I'll solve again from the first. Whether now it is audible, visible. Okay, fine. Hands down. Okay, now we'll solve this problem from first. So the question what they have given, I think everybody already had written the question. This is last time's question only. So the question what they have given is we need to find out the truth values of P, proposition P. We need to find out the truth value of proposition Q, and we need to find the truth value of proposition R. But they have given the truth value of proposition Q, that is Q is equal to 1 anta kottaru. Please come on time from tomorrow. Okay. So in the last class we had already seen this proposition Q. They have given the truth value. P they have not given. Q they have not given. R they have not given. But only Q they have given. Then along with the Q, something they have given as this question. Consider this to be complete A. If you consider this to be capital A, this is conjunction. As we know, if you think this to be complete B. So A conjunction B is equal to 1. They have given what? A conjunction B is equal to 1. Now we need to find out separately what first we'll solve by simple steps. Okay. First I will tell the problem. Later if you have any doubts you ask me. Okay. Part by part I will be going on telling. Just listen. Don't copy. I will give time to copy later. Listen now. This is consider this to be a consider this to be a B. This is equal to 1. They have given this answer. Already they have given this answer. First we need to find out what is the value of A and what is the value of B. We need to find out what is the value of A and what is the value of B. What is actually A and B? How to find out? We need to see the symbol. Symbol what they have given? Conjunction they have given. What is the meaning of a conjunction? Conjunction is nothing but AND gate. AND gate andre enu? When we will get the result 1, when both A and B both are 1 1, then only we will get here 1 according to the rule of AND gate. If you want, from AND gate logic. From AND gate logic. What does the AND gate logic says us? What does the AND gate logic tells? AND gate logic tells that when both the propositions, proposition A and B, if both are 1 and 1, then only our result will be 1. If both are idrag yavadadru ondadru 0 idre result 1 baralla 0 bartada. Okay. So now next we need to find out what now? We need to find out separately. Now I got to know here. I got to know what is A and what is B. Okay, now A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Andre this complete is 1 conjunction, this complete is 1. We got the result now. Okay, this complete question is 1 conjunction as it is, this complete is 1. At least this we came to know. Now we will solve this separately and this separately. Okay, first this solve madkondi. We have solved this. 1 1 is equal to 1. Over. Our task is over. Now we need to solve separately this part separately and this part separately. No doubt, first see here. No doubt I need to solve separately, but first I will solve this part. A, think that this is the A part, this is B part and the think ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. In textbook they have given this as U, this as V. In textbook they have given this as U, this part as U, this part as V. V anta kottara. Okay, U, V anta tagolona or A, B as you wish. So before in last class I explained this, so I'll not again repeat. This is a big bracket, this is flower bracket, this is common bracket. So we'll solve from big bracket, then we'll come to flower bracket, then we'll come to small bracket, that is common bracket. Okay, now I told you we need to solve one by one. Okay, first I'll solve this part definitely, U part, and then I'll go to B part, or first I'll solve A part, then I'll go to B part. Now I'll just tell the flow. First what I will do, I'll go on solving this A part. At one point I'll become stuck. In the last class it had become. I'll solve, listen carefully. I'll solve A. This is A. Consider this to be A. Consider this to be B. First I'll solve A part. At one point of time I'll become stuck. I'll become stuck means what? I don't have any other option. I'll become stuck. To solve that result, I need to solve this B part. To solve that part, I need to solve B. Once I solve the B, then I can come to A. Or else, first what we'll do? First we will solve B part. Okay, better. In order to avoid confusion, first we'll solve, you can take like this. First, solve B part. B part andre yavadu? This one. This is nothing but B part. Shall we solve the first? We'll solve B, then we'll go to A. Better. Everybody will follow. So first, I'll write here, I'll make two parts. Illi B martini, this side I'll do A. Okay. First I'll solve B. Now, see here, first concentrate on B. First, whatever I'm telling, just understand. Later, if you have doubts, you can ask me. Okay. See here, first solving the B part. I'll write here. Or else. First, solve B part. Solve. In textbook, they have given as U and V. You can take U and V, or you can take A and B. Not a problem. So I will copy the question because I have to solve B part. What is that? Negation S, condition of, negation R, conjunction Q should be what? 1. How I got here 1? As I know, this is 1, this is 1. Then only I got 1 conjunction 1 is equal to 1 according to the logic of AND gate. So what I got, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. First solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿ we know. Howda? So when I solve this is 1 and this is 1. So what is now B? B is concentrate here. Negation is condition of, but I have a small bracket. Okay, I'll end up this flower bracket also. Then I have negation R. This is conjunction. This is Q. Common bracket close. Flower bracket close is equal to 1 anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. Now I need to find out what is this negation S. I need to find out what is this negation R. I need to find out what is this Q. No doubt from questions, if you notice, Q they have given. What they have given Q? Q they have given as 1. How I got this one? From question. From question they have given Q is equal to 1. Whereas they have not given what is P. They have not given what is R. They have not given what is S. Okay. So I got here Q now. Now see here. No doubt I got here Q. Now, first we will solve the flower bracket. First we will solve the flower bracket. What is that? Consider this to be complete as P, proposition P. Now consider this to be complete as proposition Q. Okay, complete this to be a proposition P. This is nothing but proposition Q. Ivellerdu yav logic kada? Condition logic. This is equal to what I need to get? 1. This I need to get 1. Now, go for your condition logic truth table. When I get here P condition Q is equal to 1. When I get here P condition Q is equal to 1. If you notice, when P is 1 and Q is 1, at that time I will get the condition as 1 and 1. I think you are getting. When P is 1 and Q is 1, then only I will get the condition as 1. So now we need to find out what is P and what is Q here, or else I'll show another way. This is completely imagined to be P. This is condition Q. Okay. I need to get result what here? 1. If you want, I'll put here truth table at the side. Just see here. P, Q, P condition Q. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. I need to get what? 1. See here. 1, 1, 0, 1. This is my logic. I think if you are able to see, this is 1, 1, 0, 1. I'll just turn off the light. Okay. This is 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, just remember it is 1, 1, 0 and 1. Okay. Now we need to find out when our condition 1 will be there. What is the value of P and Q? What is the value of P and Q? So it can be either 0, 0, it can be either 0, 1, or it can be either 1 and 1. 3 conditions are there now. 3 conditions we have got for 1. Now 3 conditions I have got for 1. What I need to take, whether 0, 0 or 0, 1 or 1, 1. Still it is confusion. Now we will see, we will keep this aside for some time. We will keep this aside for some time. Now, okay, first, this is what we'll solve the first, what is called common bracket. First we will solve the common bracket. So here, they have given us a value of what? They have given us a value of here 1. They have given us here value as Q is equal to 1. Then we have a conjunction. We have what here? Negation R. We need to find out what is R. Or else wait, I think somewhere I had my mistake. Yes, what I told was correct exactly. So here we need to consider here P as 1 and Q as 1. Then only we'll get the result as 1 and 1 as I've told. We need to consider here the value P is 1 and Q is 1. Then we'll get the result as 1 and 1. So now I got here this as 1 condition, this complete as 1. I have got here negation S as 1 and this condition I have got here 1. So this will be equal to what? If you want, I'll rub this. So this will be equal to 1. This will be equal to 1. So since negation S is equal to 1, then what will be S? Since negation S is equal to 1, then what will be S? S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1. Now see here, I got here what is negation S. Negation S is 1, then S is equal to 1. Then S is equal to 1. Negation means what? Reverse. Now we need to solve here. Negation R, conjunction Q should be what? It should be equal to 1. We will see here. Negation R, conjunction Q should be sorry. Negation R, conjunction Q should be equal to 1 according to our condition. When does it will be 1? When both are again 1 and 1. When both are 1 and 1. When Q is 1, Q is what? From question only they have given Q is 1. When both are 1 and 1, then only I'll get the result as 1. So what happens here? Since negations R is equal to 1, then R is equal to 0 because it is negation. It is negation. Now we will see. So what I got here? R is equal to 0 I got, and then S is equal to 1 I have got. Now I need to find out what? P. I need to find out here P. See here. Now I'll go to this problem. Solving part A. Solving part A. Solving part A. Q condition of flower bracket negation P. We are under disjunction, then conjunction negation S. This is what the question is. So this will be equal to, what is Q from our, this should be equal to what? 1. This should be equal to 1 because as I told, this is 1, conjunction 1 will be 1. So this is equal to 1. So what is Q from our question? It is constant, 1 dash. This complete, we don't know what it is. We don't know what it is. So 1 condition what will be equal to 1? Definitely it should be 1 because if I put here 0, the result will be 0. If I put here 0, the result will be 0. But here I have got the result as 1. Let me check. Sorry, yes is 0. I'm sorry. Yes is 0. Thanks for correction. Thank you for correction. Thank you for correction. Okay. Okay. Now, Q is 1. Okay, S is 0. Correct. Then R is 0. Then Q is equal to 1. And here I have condition. This is question mark. Question mark means what? This complete, I don't know, is equal to 1. So what is this? 1 condition what is equal to 1? Definitely it is 1. 1 condition 1 is equal to 1 as we know. Hengri madam 1 condition 1. Yakandre 1 condition 1 idre stay 1. If I have 1 condition 0, it will be 0. Because it is a rule of a logic. Since here they have given as 1, since here they have given 1, I need to check here what? I need to take here condition 1. Now, I got here Q, everything. So, this complete is still question mark. See here. Negation P, disjunction R, conjunction of negation S is equal to 1. From this complete. Okay. Now, this should be 1 definitely. 1 antandre eno. Here what I have? Conjunction. Conjunction means what? Again, 1 and 1 I need to have. 1 and 1 conjunction. Again see here, negation S is equal to 1, S is equal to 0. From same, other thorough logic you use model. If negation S is equal to 1, S is equal to 0. No doubt this we already find out. We need to find out what? Main important thing P. Now, this complete is equal to 1. So, negation P, disjunction R is equal to 1 anta half. Okay. Now, this is equal to what is R from our earlier, from our part B, R is 0. So, negation P, disjunction 0 is equal to 1. Disjunction 0 is equal to 1. This will be equal to, what is, here I have disjunction. Disjunction andre no, OR gate. Disjunction means what here? OR gate. When it will be 1, I want here 1. When P is, negation P is 1. When negation P is 1, then I will get here definitely 1. So, negation P, what I have got? 1. Then what will be P? Then P is equal to 0. So, here what I have got? S is equal to 0, r is equal to 0. No, really, r illino matching the 0. Illino, yes, sorry, yes, here also is 0. Here also I got 0 after solving. Then finally I have got after solving t is equal to 0. Many of you have not understood, I know, still, because it will take time. Just copy it down for today, go through it. If you have any doubts, ask me personally. Or else, e problem what I will do today, I will solve in a paper. Board alast perfect artha agala. I will solve each and every step. I will make a video. I will send you this problem. Is it okay? Because at a stretch you will not understand, because board is also a little bit of small here to set for this video. So just copy it down for now. I'll make a video of it today or tomorrow. I'll make a video and I will send that video. Just go through it step by step. Pen in the bar explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Is it okay? If this you have understood, or better. If you have not understood this, just copy it down. Better I'll write and I'll explain. You will be able to follow. Fine. You can just copy it down. Okay, fine. I'll write with pen and then I'll explain. Just for today, copy it down. Are you copying or shall I rub the board? Are you copying or shall I think 50% at least artha agada anta anistudu. 50% minimum. Are you copying or shall I rub? Are you copying or shall I rub? Are you copying or shall I rub? Please, anybody, shall I rub the board? At least raise your hands at least for that. Shall I rub the board? Okay. Only one raise hand. What about others? Whether you are copying or I need to wait or shall I rub? Last one problem is there. Another type. Assignments will begin. Okay, fine. Now not this problem I'll explain with hand only. Better it will be. I think at least 50% you have followed. Henga solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು step by step. Okay. In this another variety, last variety of problem. So we have seen so many varieties of problems. First was about first problem start ಮಾಡಿವಿ ನಾವು. In that it was about joining of a prepositions with words ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. Joining of a preposition with words. Then we have solved about solve of a truth table ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. Just write the truth table. Then we have seen find out the truth values. And truth values I think you came to know ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು true value. PQR ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು PQR ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ Q ಒಂದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ P and R ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತನೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So ultimately everything is dependent on your truth table logic. Conditional logic ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದ immediate ಆಗಿ you need to be use your what is called. So this was the last variety. Another one. Last variety of a problem is the in this what is called not chapter, in this topic. Okay. Okay, consider here they are given. We need to find out. I'll just write the question. Given P and R are true anta kottaru. P and R are true. Andre P is equal to 1, R is equal to 1. Okay. Given P is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 0, S is equal to 0 and T is equal to 0 anta kottaru. Given P is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 0. Whoever has not sent present, just send in chat. Whoever has not sent still, Okay, given P is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, and Q is equal to 0, S is equal to 0, and T, this is T for table, T is equal to 0. Find out, okay, find out P disjunction negation Q, P disjunction negation Q. See here now, there is a change. By condition illivari use madilla, but we will use that by condition today. By condition of flower bracket, then common bracket R, conjunction S, T. We need to find out what it is. That's it. See here, find out P. What is this? B and conjunction, P conjunction, disjunction, negation R, by condition of negation R, conjunction S, then T. We need to find out this. What to do? Everything they have given. P kotara, R kotara, Q kotara, S and T. Ella kotara. Just we need to substitute the values and we will solve. See here, first is equal to P. What they have given P is equal to 1, disjunction. Q anta kottaru is negation Q. What is Q here? If Q is equal to 0, then what will be negation Q? Negation Q will be 1. If Q is equal to 0, then negation Q will be 1. So, negation Q ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1. So, as it is by conditions, last solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Flower bracket of common bracket. Negation R ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. Negation R. If R is equal to, what I have here? 1. What will be negation R? 0. If R is equal to 1, negation R will be 0. Then, what is negation R? 0. Conjunction of S and kotara 0. Condition of T and kotara 0. Just substitute the value. Now we will solve one by one. What is this? 1 disjunction 1. 1 OR gate 1. It is 1. As usual, 1 OR gate is 1. This off. Then, what is 0 conjunction 0? It is 0. Condition 0 hangage. Next step madan solve. Then 1 as it is idri. What is 0 condition 0? What is 0 condition 0? It is 1. If you know the truth table, easily you can tell. What is 0 condition 0? It is 1. Ivaga have what? Condition. By condition. I'll just write by condition because ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿರಿ. Is P Q. P by condition 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1. What is actually P? What is a P by condition Q? It is nothing but P condition of Q, then OR gate of Q condition of P, etc. Okay. So it is nothing but 1 0 0 1. According to truth table, okay, it is 1 0 0 1. So what I have here, this is like P, this is like Q. What if P is 1? See last, if P is 1, if Q is 1, what will be the result? Our result will be 1. If P is 1, Q is 1, our result will be 1. Our result will be what? 1. So, what is the final result of this? What will be the final result of this? 1. That is the truth table of this problem. The truth value of this problem is nothing but 1. Ella kottaru P, Q, R, S, T ella kottaru. Just substitute the value, use the logic. One in the step by step solve madri. First ee step solve madri. Q 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ negation Q ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 1. Then ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ. Then first solve small bracket. First I solve small bracket, then come to big bracket. Flower first small bracket ಬರ್ತದ according to precedence. Then flower bracket, then big bracket. So first solve the small bracket, then come to flower bracket. First flower bracket, big bracket ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So flower bracket ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 0 condition 0 condition truth table ನೆನ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು 0 0 is 1 so what is 1 by condition 1 it is 1 so this will be the ಈ ತರನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ q 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟು negation q ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು so you need to know finally what is negation, what is and, what is or, what is disjunction, exclusive disjunction, everything you need to know. You can copy for another 2 minutes. Well, whether everybody followed this problem? Whether everybody followed this problem? Just raise your hands. Okay, copy down whoever has not copied. So today I'll give some assignments in the evening. I'll just write in a paper and give. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ 2 to 3 days ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ and last problem that I will solve and I will send you okay in a paper so this will be just logical connective problem. But logical connective will be throughout the subject, no doubt. But topic vary akonta hogtu. Tomorrow we'll start with another type of topic called as tautology and contradiction anta otivi. Don't worry about that. Just remember till here what we have solved. I think some 6 to 7 types of speech types of problems we have solved on logical connectives. I'll give the assignment also. Today just solve it. I'll give some 2 to 3 days. Everybody please seriously solve that problem because if you take seriously I'll get an interest to teach so solve the problem that's it don't make me again and again repeat. I think everybody have followed this problem. You copy this also for the first time. If q is equal to 0 then negation q is 1 if r is equal to 1 negation q is equal to 0 our aim kottara just go on substituting it according to the logic. ಆಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಲ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಈ ತರನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿನಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು 1 and 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು 1 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋರಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವೆದರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ as far as possible I know I'm making you ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಭಾಳ ತಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಏನಂತಾರ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಐ ಎಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಐ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓಕೆ fine okay today I'll end the session fine thank you okay